Hey Maz, hope you had a nice winter break.
I hope you all passed your semester finals, and congratulations to the midterm students that graduated last weekend.
You know the saying, new year, new me. Well, before break, MavTV interviewed some students around the school and asked about their New Year's resolutions. Here's the video.
My New Year's resolution is to be able to get into the Air Force after I graduate. Cool. So, yeah.
My New Year's resolution is being able to get built up for the military.
My New Year's resolution is probably just to basically keep taking weights and get stronger and stronger. Most likely do football next year.
My New Year's resolution is to get as strong as I can and hopefully be able to outbench everyone.
My New Year's resolution is to hang out with family and get good grades and do softball and just to have fun and meet new people, I guess.
Mine, spend time with family, have fun.
To hit 99 overall to get better at 2K.
My New Year's resolution is to get my grades up and stop failing classes because, my mom's mad about that. You feel?
To get better grades.
World domination.
My New Year's resolution is to be more nice to people.
My New Year's resolution is to be a better person.
My New Year's resolution is for a new girlfriend.
My New Year's resolution is get my grades up,
To exercise every day.
Yeah. What's your New Year's resolution?
Honestly, to get the fake people out of my life at Emmy.
My New Year's resolution is to get TikTok famous. Get that clout.
My New Year's resolution is to be happy and be confident in everything that I do.
Those are some good resolutions. I think one of mine would be to eat better.
On with some general school news. McCutcheon is getting some nice renovations all throughout the school. I'd like to thank all the students and staff for dealing with the temporary construction.
Now it's time for this week's weather. So as you guys could have seen today, today's looking to be a moderately cloudy day. High of 32 degrees. Tomorrow is looking to be mostly cloudy with a high of 37. Friday and Saturday are interesting days both. High of 35, low of 23. Friday we're looking to see a chance of snow showers in the AM time period. Saturday is looking to be good and sunny though, and with Sunday it is going to be a cloudy day with a high of 34.
Thanks, Jimmy. McCutcheon had an amazing weekend in the sports and academic team section.
Yeah, we did. The women's swim and dive team won the NCC title. Guys got runner-up. In combination, the team had 13 gold medalists.
Wow. MavTV is starting a new segment called Talented Mavs, where we shed light on a talented student and ask about their skills. This week, we interviewed Isaac Whitlock from the bowling team.
Hi, I'm Isaac Whitlock, and I'm a bowler for the McCutcheon bowling team. It's a thing that's been in my family for a while. My dad used to bowl a lot, and my brother threw perfect game when he bowled here, and so he got me to start. It feels pretty good to finally one-up my brother in something especially, and I'm looking forward to carrying it over into regionals next weekend. I think bowling is such a great sport because everyone can do it. Like, it's not just one body type. You don't have to be fit to say. Like, anyone can compete at any level with enough practice. That's pretty hard. I got two really good friends on the bowling team, Kyle Boswell and Javen Dick. They're both pretty good bowlers, and we really work well together to push each other to get better. I really like the outdoors. I like camping, hiking, that sort of thing. Currently, it's probably digital electronics. I have two that I like. I like Jason Belmonte, mostly because his form is similar to mine. But my favorite is EJ Tackett. He's from Indiana, just about an hour from here. And I have seen him once in real life.
To continue with the sports news, the boys junior basketball team had a game against Richmond High School last Saturday and will play again this Friday. Another thing MavTV wants to recognize is the McCutcheon Unified Basketball game against Harrison, and amazing support from all the students and parents.
Wow, that's some Mav spirit.
And congratulations to Gavin Dardine and John Shambaugh, who have earned their place as McCutcheon's first All-State Honors doubles tennis team after making it to the quarterfinals, the farthest any McCutcheon duo has gone.
Our MavTV member, Brendan, had the privilege to go with the McCutcheon wrestling team on Thursday on their match against West Lafayette. Here's the video.
I think, we, like our slogan this year is just climb the mountain, right? So our big thing is just taking steps up the mountain, right? And that's the one thing that we preach to the kids is that you can only climb mountains one step at a time. So, right, the ultimate goal is to bring championships to McCutcheon, and, we feel like we're on that.
My name is John Montero. I'm a junior, and I've been wrestling since 8th grade. When we come out here to wrestle, honestly, it's the best thing ever for me. It's such a big opportunity to come out and wrestle with the guys because it gives us such a big bond. Honestly, it's amazing, and it's something, for me, it's a privilege. And not many people get that opportunity, so if you have those opportunities, if I were you, I'd take them.
Hi, I'm Manuel Magallanes. I'm a junior this year, and I've been wrestling for 3 years. And this year I've had so much fun wrestling. So I kind of started off late, but I'm just starting to get back into, just wrestling. And I know I still need a lot of work, but it's a great process. I'm just hoping to get better, and I'm only going to keep improving.
Hello, my name is Garson Matney. I'm a senior, and I've wrestled since middle school in all 4 years at my time at McCutcheon High School. And I really love the sport because it's taught me a lot of discipline, and I really enjoy the camaraderie with the team. So every year it's just been a blast, and this year's been great.
On the academic team side, I'd like to recognize McCutcheon's speech team and their amazing 10th place overall victory at the Fishers Tournament, with Ellie Adkins, Shailene Patel, Sophia Shafaridu, and Riley Fritchley advancing to the semifinals.
The robotics team season just started, and one of the members of MavTV Austin did a few interviews with some team members.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
All right. I'm Austin Justice, and would you like to introduce yourself to the...
My name is Noah Jewell. I'm the 2020 student president of the robotics team.
Hi, I'm Kaya Webb.
And this here is my good friend Jeremy Moss. I understand that the season started earlier this year, right?
Last week, yes.
All right. Would you like to explain on how well things are going so far?
Compared to last year, things are a lot more organized. We're a lot more prepared for this season. We've gotten much experience through the 12 or 13 years that we've been a team. I'm really excited for this season. A lot of new freshmen, a lot of new blood that we can train. I'm excited for the future of this season as well, and this team when we're gone as mentors. It's gonna be great.
Sweet. So, are you new to the team? Is this your first year ever being on the team?
Yes, I'm a freshman.
Some kids come into high school like, I don't know what I want to do. Like, I want to go into engineering, but what do I want to do in it? Because there's so many different things. You could have engineering that involves a computer, engineering that's all hands-on electronics, like programming, all those different fields, and robotics kind of just opens up your mind to all the different possibilities and really gets you hands-on and experiencing all of them.
So our job is to learn to CAD, to program, whatever sub-team we're in.
So, from what I understand of the FRC competitions, they change the game every year. So, what game are we playing this year?
This year, it's called Infinite Recharge. It's a Star Wars sponsored / Star Wars themed kind of thing. The game is very, very complicated. You can probably search it up. Just search FRC 2020 game reveal.
Okay. So, what's your hope with being on the robotics team?
My hope is that I can have fun, learn things that will help me in my future career, and help others learn as well.
All right. Yeah. So, has robotics been a positive experience for you?
Yeah, I've never had a bad experience with robotics, really. The only bad experience I've had is if we lose a match or something at a competition, but all the people in robotics is probably 30 kids this year.
That's a lot of
And
people.
even the teachers, all of us just really close. We're all really good friends. And we all just really get along. There's not really any arguments.
That's really good goals. So, are you excited for the season of robotics? Are you excited for the game, and were you excited to see that's actually sponsored by Star Wars?
Oh boy,
Force for Change?
I was very excited.
Yeah. Would you like to elaborate on some stuff that you do in robotics?
Yeah, so I am in charge of strategy. That's my main role. So anytime we go to a competition or anything like that, I'm all with strategy. What should we do? Should we be on defense, offense? Should we throw a ball here, throw a ball there? All that kind of stuff. And then I'm also the head of, I'm one of our small group leaders. So I lead some of the side projects. We have like drivetrain, we have the shooter, we have the intake. So I lead the intake project. Kind of just all around when it comes to really leadership, same as everyone else. I'm on the steering team, which is our leadership team on the robotics team. They make all the bigger, more hefty decisions.
You said that you were on the chassis sub team. So what does that what does that really mean?
Right now we're working on the drivetrain, and ours is designed to help us get over bumps. And we're working on the rails and the bumpers, which will protect our robot, and the wheels.
All right, not bad. I understand that it's actually sponsored by the charity Force for Change. Is that correct?
Yes.
Sweet. So it's for a charity foundation and all that.
Yep.
That's really cool.
First is done a lot of outreach to, global organizations, and them themselves are just an amazing organization and company.
Yeah. You said that you were head of strategy, correct?
Yep.
So does that mean that you help with deciding how we go about competing in matches and stuff with these competitions?
So every single match you get assigned to yourself and 2 random other teams. And you play against 3 random teams. So during a match, or before a match, you strategize with your other teammates, because you maybe have never played with them before, so you don't know what they can do, what you can do. So you talk to them, kind of figure it out. And I'm the main person who, at the end of the day, there's a meeting. It's called a scout meeting. That's all, you talk about all the teams, say this team was good, this team's trash.
So how well do you think your team, I guess, would do in the competition itself? Like, do you think you would be the best kind of role filler for a certain position or something like that?
Well, each year, since my sophomore year, which was 2 years ago, 3 years ago, we've done everything we can to complete every single obstacle within the field. This year we're planning to do every part of the game that we possibly can. 4 years ago, during my freshman year, we did one thing very, very well. It got us to Worlds, but we feel like we've expanded as a team, we've grown, we've gotten a lot more information about FRC itself and how the games work. So this year we're planning to do everything we possibly can and be the most flexible robot on the field.
So,
nice to meet you.
Oh,
I'm
hi.
Nigel.
Hi, I'm Austin Justice.
I hear you're the safety captain of Team 4272 here at McCutcheon.
Yeah.
Tell me what that's about. How'd you earn the position? Like, what do you do? Is it? What is it?
Didn't I interview you?
We don't talk about that.
Oh, okay.
We're talking about you here.
Yeah.
We're concerning with you.
Calm down. Have a snack.
Thanks.
Hi, Mom.
Now on with some final school announcements. The speech team had a Ball State tournament on Friday. Good luck to Riley Dempey-Wolf at Wrestling State Finals. The Graphics Design Club will start to meet after school next Wednesday in CT 123.
If you still have your old PE uniforms, MavThreads would love it if you dropped by BU212 and had them recycled or reused. Don't forget, we get next Monday off for Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Alright, Mavs, that about wraps it up. But MavTV has one last message they'd like to share with you. Hello, Mavs. I know this isn't a school-related subject, but I feel like MavTV can take the time and do some coverage on it. Right now, Australia is suffering from devastating wildfires. It's affecting wildlife, animals, and all citizens there. MavTV would like to thank all the volunteers, foundations, and people trying to help.